Hey everyone, I'm Mark, and this is one of the best Windows 11 laptop I've used. This is the Dell XPS 15 9510 with the OLED display. I've been using this now for 2 months, and I absolutely love the way it balances portability, power, and looks. Let's take a look. The first thing that you'll notice is the beautiful 15-inch 3.5K OLED display. It's bright, vibrant, and sharp, and I like that you can quickly change the color profile on the taskbar from full, vibrant to Adobe RGB, DCI-P3, sRGB, and more, depending on whether you need accurate colors for video or photo editing, or switching it to the best colors for watching movies. I absolutely love the thin bezels. It makes this laptop feel small, even though it has a 15-inch display. And this is still possible while having Windows Hello Face Unlock, which I think is amazing. And this design looks so good. It's made with machined aluminum, carbon fiber, and Corning Gorilla Glass. If you're getting this laptop, I definitely recommend getting the white one. I do need to point out that the magnets on the right side of the display aren't as strong. I'm not sure if it's just my unit or if it affects other XPS 15 devices, but as you can see here, there's a small gap that doesn't close all the way. The left side has the lock slot and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports with DisplayPort and power delivery. The right side is going to make creators happy. It has the headphone jack, SD card slot, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port. Now let's talk about that keyboard. I have no issues with the layout, size, or key travel. It doesn't feel shallow, and I can type really fast on this. The top row has function keys for screen brightness, keyboard backlight, and volume buttons, which I use frequently. Pretty standard, very happy with that. The top right corner also doubles as the power button and fingerprint scanner. I mostly use Face Unlock, but if you prefer to use the fingerprint scanner, it's available. The trackpad is also very good, very roomy, responsive to swipes and gestures like scrolling. No problems here. It works exactly as it should. To the left and right sides of the keyboard are the speakers. They sound great and I don't have complaints here. They complement the beautiful display when watching movies. I don't notice distortions when playing at loud volume. They're really great for media consumption. Now this laptop originally came with Windows 10, and when I updated to Windows 11, I immediately noticed networking issues with slower downloads. After looking around online, I found out that I needed to disable something from killer networking running in the background. I'm not sure if that's been fixed by now, but there were a couple of firmware updates, BIOS updates after updating to Windows 11. So make sure to keep up to date with the Dell Update app. When it comes to specifications, you can get up to 11th Gen i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce 3050 Ti with 4 gigs video memory, up to 64 gigs RAM, up to 8 terabytes SSD, and 3 display options from Full HD to 4K or 3.5K OLED, which is what I have here. Price starts at $1299 and can go up to over $4,500 depending on what specs you choose on the Dell website. There are usually sales and deals online, so check the links in the description for the latest prices. I'm pretty happy with the performance. Office tasks, browsing the web, watching videos all work as expected. Editing videos work well too. I can edit 4K 10-bit videos in Premiere Pro without lag, and that's with the Canon R6, which is the camera that is shooting this video right now. So I love carrying this to work when I need to commute to the office or bringing it with me to the coffee shop for a change of scenery. The size and portability of this laptop is great. I haven't needed extra RAM, but there are plenty of videos online to teach you how to easily upgrade. I currently have 16 gigs on this XPS 15, but considering upgrading to 32 gigs. Now let's talk about the battery life. I'm usually plugged in when I'm at my desk, but when I unplug, I can see about 6 to 7 hours of battery with usage like browsing the web, responding to emails, watching YouTube videos, and office tasks like editing Word documents or presentation slides or spreadsheets. You'll probably get a longer battery with the Full HD display option, but I prefer sharper images with this 3.5K display. What I also love about the XPS 15 is the power adapter. It's not intimidatingly huge and doesn't take up much weight or space in my bag. So that's the XPS 15 OLED. It's a great laptop. I've been using it now for about 2 months and I absolutely love it. The design, portability, responsiveness, the display, the speakers, the trackpad, they all add up, resulting in a great overall Windows 11 laptop. And if you're a creator, it's also great to know that it's more than capable for editing 4K videos. Now, if there's something to be nitpicky about, I'm not a fan of the pre-installed apps for the Wi-Fi and speakers. I would have preferred a clean Windows experience instead of having to deal with killer networking for Wi-Fi settings and Max Audio Pro for audio settings. Otherwise, this laptop is very easy to recommend. Get the white one and get the OLED version. You'll love it. So that's all for now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.